Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to discuss about decision making in Python using the if statement. So without further ado, let's get into it. Decision making is an anticipation of conditions occurring while execution of the program and specifying some actions which are taken according to the conditions. So decision structures evaluate multiple expressions which produces a true or a false value as a outcome. So you need to determine which action to take and which statement to execute if outcome is true or false. It is similar to that of the other languages. The if statement contains a logical expression using which data is compared and a decision is made based on the result of comparisons. So if the Boolean expression evaluates to be true, then the block of statements inside the if statement is executed. If the Boolean expression evaluates the false, then the first set of code after the end is executed. So the next topic will be the indentation. So Python relies on the indentation, which are the white spaces at the beginning of line, to define the scope in the code. Other programming languages often use the curly brackets for this purpose. So this is the basic flow diagram of the if statement. So here you can see when the condition which we have given becomes true, then the code within that condition executes. And if the condition is false, then it will not execute the code. So this is the basic syntax of if statement. So we have to use if after that expression and to use the colon. On the next line, by giving the indentation, give the statement of code which we have to execute after the if statement becomes true. Let me show you how to use the Python if statement using some simple exercise. This is the Python command line, and today we are going to execute if statement. For this purpose, we will first assign some integer value to our variable. So our variable name will be a. After that, we will use the assignment operator, which is equal to sign and some value. So in this case, we will use 100. Enter. As you can see, our variable has been declared. So after that, we will use the if condition on this variable. So we will use if and we will give our condition by using the conditional operators. So if a, after that the conditional operator will be equal to sign. If the a equal to 100, after that we will give the colon, and on the next line, as you can see, now we are in the if statement. So we have to give the indentation. So just press tab and we will give the conditional code. So in this case, if the a equals to 100, then it will execute the print command and it will print the string number is equal to 100. So when we execute this, enter, as you can see, our condition becomes true. So a equal to 100 becomes true as we have assigned 100 value to our a variable. So this print statement is executing. So let me show you the another example. In this case, we will use a is not equal to 100. So not equal to operator, as we have seen in our earlier tutorial, just press enter and don't forget to give the indentation, otherwise it will show the error. So for that, just print the message. We have given our conditional code after hitting enter. So our if statement has been executed, but there is no output as this if condition is not satisfied because we have assigned 100 value to our a variable. And now we will execute the same code, but in this case we will not give the indentation. So here we have copied the same code. After hitting enter, it is showing the error, indentation error, expected an indented block. So as you can see, inside the if statement, the Python is expecting the indentation. In the next example, we will assign the string value to our a variable. So a equal to red. After that we will use the if condition. If the condition will be if a equal to the string value which will be red. After that we will give the colon. Don't forget the indentation. We will print the message color is red. After hitting enter, as you can see, our if condition executes as it satisfies the if statement. Similarly, we can perform many operations using the if statement by the different conditional operators. In the next lecture, we are going to see what are the elif and if-else statement. In this video, I have briefly explained you what is the decision making in Python and how to use the if statement by some simple exercise. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates.